Hi, my name is Lawrence, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. So this is a really big, massive course, and it's going to show you how to build a website and learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery to really see these programming languages in action and see how they can be used to combine together in order to build 10 complete websites. And being able to build 10 complete websites from scratch will really supercharge your portfolio and build up your confidence with building websites from scratch. So all of this is put together within this complete course. Everything you need is included within this course, and by the end of the course you can leave the course with having 10 complete websites ready to go within your portfolio. So this course covers over 30 hours of HD quality video, training videos, showing you everything you need to know in order to jump in and start building websites from scratch. And whether you're building a website for your own purposes, for a project, or whether you're trying to earn an income online building websites, this course will really show you how to do this, and it will supercharge your abilities, give you the option to practice and really get to know and get familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. So you're going to see real examples, real world web projects, and how to apply these programming languages to complete your projects. So this is going to show you and give you confidence within the core foundation languages of front-end web development. It's going to show you plenty of examples, and you're going to be able to see how they work within different projects. So one of the questions that students always ask me is, well, they need to find a starting point. So they've maybe read up some content online about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and they're really looking at a way to put it all together. And that's the reason that I've built this course, is for those of you that really want to get a good foundation, a solid grounding foundation of a good starting point to build websites. And if you're not familiar with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I've provided within the course as well tutorials to illustrate and show you more about how to use these and how these are going to be used within the upcoming lessons as building out the projects from scratch. So everything is included, and I'm going to show you how we use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, which are the three foundation core languages that you need to know to understand to be a front-end web developer. And then combining all three of these together, you can do some really amazing, cool things with it. So also I've included jQuery because jQuery just simplifies and makes using JavaScript a whole lot easier. So this is also included, and a lot of the projects are going to touch upon jQuery as well. And if you aren't familiar with jQuery, I've also included several lessons about the core concepts of jQuery and how to use jQuery within your web projects. So oftentimes, students might be familiar with one area of web development, they might not be as familiar with another area of web development, and this makes building a portfolio difficult because typically when you're creating a real-world project, you've got to combine all these together, and you need to be confident in being able to combine these languages together. So this course will definitely show you how to combine these languages together in multiple examples throughout the different sections of the course. So everything is included within one place, one massive course, and where you can pick and choose also the different lessons that you want to use and that are more targeted to where you want it to learn and the areas that you want it to best practice. And also, building out the web projects, this is a great practice exercise to really get familiar with the concepts of web design and how we set up wireframes, how we do the original concept before we even start building the website, setting up the HTML structure, and then adding in the CSS to apply styling, and then JavaScript and jQuery for dynamic interaction. So all of this in one course, and again, this course is designed to really supercharge you to be able to hit the ground running, have a portfolio, be able to demonstrate your skills to potential clients, and as well practice and become very confident and familiar with coding practices. I've also included Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a front-end framework, and essentially that makes web design simpler, quicker, and easier. So this is also included in the course. And some of the websites that we're going to be building are going to be based around Bootstrap and the fundamental core concepts of Bootstrap. And also understanding Bootstrap is really important because it helps you with the whole development process, that once you understand how to build with Bootstrap, you also understand how to build more responsive websites in general. So even prerequisites, I've got you covered for that. So if you're not familiar, if you're coming into this course not being very familiar with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, I've got you covered for that. And I've got all of the lessons included within the course as well. And as a bonus within the course, I've also included some code snippets, useful code snippets, how to send mouse events, how to create dynamic and interaction within your web projects, and as well there's also included creating a contact form from scratch. This is one of those essential components within a website. Having a contact form, you need to be able to have the ability for your web users to be able to get a hold of you, and this is where contact forms come in. So this is a fully functional contact form, and it touches upon a little bit with some back-end code, PHP, and it's just very light on that, and I am going to walk you through how to use that and implement that within your own web projects and websites. So again, everything is included, including resources, top links. So throughout the course, I'm going to be using various resources. I'm going to provide all of the links to those resources so you too can follow along step by step within the lessons of the course. So this is for professional web development. You get access to all the resources, create a portfolio, and a whole lot more. And this essentially gives you the ability to parachute in and provide examples and be able to provide web development projects and how to frame out those web development projects. This will really give you the best starting point, allow you to parachute in, get started quickly with web development. So within this course, there's all the high quality content that you need. Everything is provided with you within the course. I've got 18 years of web development experience, and I'm going to be sharing all of my knowledge with you in regards to front-end web development, how to build out these websites, and how to do it quickly and efficiently and produce amazing looking websites. And I'm ready to answer any questions that you may have. So when you're ready, let's start building out some websites from scratch.